Hey there, everyone! Do you ever feel like your gift presentation is a little lacking? We all know a thoughtful gift is important, but a beautiful box can take it to the next level. That's where Giftpack's package design tool comes in. This awesome tool lets you create custom packaging that reflects your unique style or perfectly matches the recipient's personality. In this video, we'll walk you through using the package design tool in just a few easy steps. Get ready to transform your gift giving with stunning personalized packaging. To access the tool, simply log into your Giftpack account and navigate to the branding section. Within the filter menu, select the packages section. Choose the specific gift item you wish to customize and click the Design It button. This will launch the package design tool interface. Here, you can upload logos, images, or any design element you wish to incorporate. Simply drag and drop these elements onto the virtual product to position them as desired. The tool also allows you to adjust the dimensions of the box to ensure a perfect fit for your gift. Additionally, you can select the material of the box to suit your aesthetic preference. Finally, explore the color palette to find a hue that complements the overall design or the recipient's taste. Once the design is finalized, click the Save and Preview button. And voila, your very own and unique package is ready to be put into production. And that's it for today's video. Our 3D package design tool offers a comprehensive and user-friendly interface for creating unique and personalized gift packaging. So what are you waiting for? Go try it out today. Until next time, happy gifting!